Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft channel. I'm Hilda, your host. I hope everybody has a good day today. It's sunny out here in Philadelphia. I hope that everyone has finished shoveling snow. They haven't plowed my street, and still cold out there. My bones have been cringing about it. So today I have the second part of the store TWBB that I found on Amazon. I have two. One is an unbagging and one is an unboxing. Tomatoes. So yeah, apparently this one, they're selling these from Home Note. So we're gonna do this one first and then we take care of the other one, okay? So I hope everybody is doing okay. You know, like I said, finishing shoveling your snow. Next week, I'm going to be posting my Whip and Chat English blunders. You're going to have some fun on that one. So we have over here the standard tools for diamond painting. You can start with that if you're new. Here is the single placer pen, the boat, and some wax, okay? So we're gonna take a look at the drills after I finish. This is a pour glue, so I'm gonna try to straighten it out. This is this one that I like because I can remember my grandfather used to have little bird houses, but he would put it on the window and he would put it rice on it. And he attributed that he hit the lottery and the horses race because of that. So I don't know. So this one is a 40 by 30. It has 22 colors and most of them are alphabet. They have some symbols on it. Okay. The key code is on both sides. This is kind of a little wrinkle, so I'm gonna try to. These are a whole bunch of bird houses on different colors, so this is full of confetti. I don't mind a confetti once in a while, as long as a small one. So you can imagine a 80 by 70 all confetti. No, I can't handle that. I can't. I just can't. So these are a whole bunch of bird houses in a row. I love it because I like the colorful part and remind me to my grandfather. Most of the diamond painting, if you have noticed, it remind me something from my childhood. So this is pretty good. The feel is clear, even in the dark areas. I can even do it with the light without the light pad on the dark areas. Look at that feel, how clear it is. And by the way, next week I will have a camera that would allow me to zoom you in and zoom you out without having to put my hands up and move it and all that kind of stuff. So this is pretty good one. I like the colors, a whole bunch of, there's some color blocking around here, but I don't use multi-placer. I'm a single placer person. And I consider myself pretty fast for single placer, and good quality too. Because what is the use to be fast, and if everything is gonna look like a curved road? So here is color blocking, but there's a whole bunch of confetti around here and around here. Oh boy! And this is kind of more of a spring light. But I do like this one. This is a pretty good one. So let's take a look at the drills. So we can take a look at the other one. Oh, this is a square one. Oh, ho. No wonder. This is a square. Look at these colors. It doesn't have the DMC code, so I like. This is my first square from that store, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna link the video here. Okay, so look at these colors, and I like those two colors together, even though both are dark. Okay, let's start from here. Let me show you. Look at these pretty, let me check first. I don't see any trash. I don't know. Maybe I'm blind, but let's look at these colors. Look at these pretty salmony color. It has a good range of colors, these diamond paint. I like that purple. Look at this mustard, yellow mustard type. You see, we have a hitchhiker in there, but it's okay. It's just part of the bagging. Oops, sorry about that. Put it too close. Look at that pretty green. This is like a spring green. Let me straighten it out. That's like a bluish purple. That's the brown. I don't see trash, not even in the dark. Usually most of them are in the dark colors, but I don't have any problem with this. I still have to make one of these whenever I get there. I'm gonna have to take another picture so you will see how my bedroom is. I'm posted on Instagram. By the way, I have a Facebook page now. And this is like a rusty color. I like that one too. The green one and the red one. So these are pretty nice. I'm looking forward to do this one as much I'm looking forward to do about the 100 ones that I got from the AC Club. And so you know what? I'll do this later. I'm not going to torture with this. I like to do it later. That way you guys can, you know, move on and the video doesn't take too long. Oops. Some stuff fall out, but my baby's still on his bed, so I'm not concerned about that. So let's do this one. The box came out pretty good, even though it doesn't have a plastic. So let's see how we can get this out. Let's see how this one came in. I hope it's a pour glue. Yep, it is. Oh. It has a thank you card from Amazon. Home note. Free extended warranty. I gotta search over there for diamond paints. What we got over here? Oh, we have some stickers with the number. Ooh, this one came off. We got some stickers over here that has a number 1 through 50. And it has, this one, for what I'm seeing, it has 20 colors. And probably you can put, has a space below, probably you can put the DMC code. Let me put this aside and try to stretch it out so they don't fall. Let me put the box on top of it. So let's check. Oh, this is a 50 by 40. I seen this one in storage boxes. Oh, this one is all bent in here. It looks like they push it too much. So where is the kit? It doesn't have no kit. Although I don't need them, but you know, if it's a brand new person, unless it's inside over here, but we'll check it out. This is a round one. And let me check to see if it's inside the other side of the box. Nope, it's not here either. So this one didn't have a kit. Home note, take a note. Okay. It's supposed to be a pour glue. This one, I seen him on those storage boxes that now they come with a full scenery on front to drill. And I seen this one, but I wanted the paint. I didn't want it. Okay, it's a 50 by 40. It has 20 colors. And they have the DMC code. And it has the key code in one side. And it's numbers and letters. Let me see. 8. Okay, good thing they have the 8, but they don't have the B. Because you can imagine. Let me. Yeah, they're all sticky. This one, I wanted, not in the storage box, I wanted as a scenery, as a diamond paint, completely. Because I want to see, I'm trying to get these wrinkles out. But if you are interested in the whole paint, now you know that you can find it on Amazon under the TWBB store. It's a wrinkle here. That's still hair. Boy, this thing was wrinkled, even in the bag. So this is pretty neat. It's pretty dark though, but the drill fill, you can see it clearly. I'm not gonna even pull the paper out because let me see. Oh, the glares. Sorry about that. The drill fill is very clear. And it looks, I like the house. I would live in a place like that with a couple of neighbors. So let's look at the drills and let's see. Oh, everything is falling around here. So let's look at the drills and see if they have. I don't think so. Nope. They didn't bring a. Oh no, you gotta take a note of this, because if a new person to diamond painting buys this one, it won't have the tool. If it's the first diamond paint, although I don't recommend this one as your first one. Let's take a look at this. Is how many colors I said? 20 colors. Okay. It's a very dark diamond paint. So, and Dodi has it, the key code, the DMC code over here. Let me check. Number 1 is 166, and number 2 is 321. Number 3 is 322. Yes, it does have the DMC code right here. It's not too big, but you can see it. You can find it. So it has it on the canvas and it has it on the package. Okay, so most of the colors are gonna be dark because it's a dark diamond paint. But you're gonna have earth tones in there. This is a round one, and these are pretty good rounds. I don't see any trash on it. But of course, you don't know if it has a trash or not until you open the package and spill it. These are the same, 904. Same color. Those green ones are pretty. I don't know, I like the green ones. These are 2 different shades. Like I said, it's a dark painting, but the drill fill is very good. It's a very good one. I like this blue. I love it. So let me put it aside and let's take a last look to the paint. Oop, upside down. So here it is. It's like a small village by a river or a lake. And I like this one. With some neighbors, that's okay. We cannot be isolated as humans. So there are pretty much color blockings around, and then there are some confettis around here. The sky, it has some confettis, but in blue, but most of it is color blocking, like in this area and this area. They are mingle in between the color blocks. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and have a wonderful day. Love and peace.